Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today I've got this Honda S2000, and as you can see it's from Hot Wheels Silver Series. It's also part of the graphic remix Fast and Furious cars. So if you look at the car, the original car was pink with white graphics. It's white with pink graphics kind of thing. It's Silver Series, so it does have some good details on it. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the S2000 of its box. If you remember, I think it was Suki who drove the S2000 in the Fast and Furious movies, the name of the character. She had a pink S2000. This is a remix one, so it has got white paint. Since we're on the front, let's talk about it. So you got good details up front, you got painted headlamps, you got the Honda badge, and you also got the grille which is blacked out. The lower bumper has aero elements into it, so it's modified. As you can see, it has a wider body, so flared wheel arches. This paint also looks really cool, white with pink. You also get both the windshield wipers. It does miss out on the mirrors, I know, because it's based on an older casting. Coming to the side, and you can see this crazy paint theme continues. I do like the white wheels, they complement well with the color. Also got the painted turn indicator, which looks good. And if you don't know, S2000 was a sports car by Honda. It was a two-door sports car, so that's why. Since it's a modified one, you do get a big spoiler, and you have the fuel filler on the driver's side. And you do get pink interior. Surprising, huh? Coming to the rear, again good details here. You can see you've got painted tail lamp, Honda badge, stop lamp. You got twin exhaust, big exhaust at the bottom. And we did talk about this big wing. Still the pink, same pink paint theme for decals continue. Passenger side looks almost identical. The only difference is the fuel filler cap. This is how it looks from the top. Oh, we did miss on this vents or grills on the hood. They look nice. And you can see flared wheel arches from the top. And this is how it looks from the bottom. And you can see it's based on a 2010 original release, so that's why it doesn't have mirrors. A lot of Hot Wheels back then did have one. So, should you get one? Well, if you're a fan of Fast and Furious movies or Honda in general, you should get this one. If not, you can always find better ones, I guess. But I liked it, so I got it. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.